Very emotional.
Very emotional.
Very, very touching.
Oh my Lord.
Yeah.
Oh.
It's a touching stuff.
Yoruba, sang by Oyibo in an orchestral manner. Blood, blood, blood. You know, see,
Ìrànlọ́wọ́ Akachi.
Akachi.
Ìrànlọ́wọ́ ni.
Can't go put this in.
Also inside. I said ìrànlọ́wọ́ Akachi na ìrànlọ́wọ́ then talk. Ìrànlọ́wọ́ ìwọ kọ́.
You know the Swiss mimic? Now, genge. Now it remains.
You go just turn pure proper bata.
But we're supposed to appreciate our own language.
Yeah.
You understand? If we both feel the turn out to inside this kind of orchestra thing, come sing and give us back. Say make una take our own language and enjoy it.
Yes.
I think we supposed to celebrate our own language more.
Yes. Because the truth be say, irrespective of the language where you be, irrespective of the country where you come from, because I realize say every country get their languages for inside. So irrespective of the constituency or the country suburb where you come up from,
where you belong to.
You understand? You need to be proud of where you are from. I actually know some people that are not proud of where they are from. I don't know why.
There's no some people they get their own individual reasons. Because maybe one kind practice for their own side, not to gel with them.
No, like she not like to they associate herself with the people.
Now they talk. Some people just they'll say from their own side, they got the people that they behave really tire
them.
They say, why my people just be like this? Some people just they'll say, well, my people are just like that. I take it like that.
I know, right?
But anyway, as it be, you have to just be proud of where you are from. Because some people can't they don't know really where they belong. Some they fight to take papa and mama
They're not
side.
sure.
They're not sure. You understand? You know, but
all the same, Bikonu, you need to be proud of where you come from.
Yes, sir.
All right, moving on. Friday, amazing, because now my favorite day, now my laid back day.
Yeah.
You understand? It's a day that I'm just, you know, lean back. Yeah. Lean back. It's a lean back day.
Yeah.
So don't worry yourself.
Yeah.
Today is thank God it's Friday. Enjoy yourself. My brother, you cannot come and go and kill yourself.
At all.
You cannot work from Monday to Friday and not rest a little bit. Thank God saying our weekend is coming. Enjoy yourself.
But we always talk say thank God it's Friday. It's not for everybody.
Not for everybody. Some people don't get work.
Yeah, some people every day say Friday.
Yes.
You know, you work on Monday, you feel like Friday.
But my brother, you get where you go don't work, they make money rich every day on Friday, my brother.
Yes, you just cross leg now. Boom, boom. Yes.
Wow.
Oh, we will get there.
We'll get there.
We will get there.
Anyways, welcome to Paddy Paddy, your lovely, most loved show.
Yeah.
I want to tell you, I put it to you that Paddy Paddy is your favorite show. I put it to you.
I put it to you.
Yes.
Section 4.
Yes.
Subsection 92.
Yes.
Paragraph 18.
Of Wazobia TV.
Yes, of Wazobia TV.
Or Go TV.
It says, and I quote.
And you quote.
Paddy Paddy is your best TV program.
Yes.
Yeah.
Take it or take it.
Take it. Anybody overrule?
Objection. Overrule.
Objection overrule.
No, objection sustain. No, overrule.
What's up?
Now overrule. Now when the objection they won't collect and then they sustain them. But when they don't want, overrule.
So, all in favor of it.
Say aye.
The ayes have it. No need for nay.
No need for nay.
The ayes have it. Thank you very much. We get one video one more can see now. This particular video, this guy, very, very beautiful story. But we'll talk about when we watch the video finish. Because the guy goes jail. But the girl wait for around 27 years. They go put him for jail for what he no do. They can put him for life imprisonment.
Before they can't reappeal. They can't reopen the case, can't appeal.
Do. 27 years later, they can't bring and come out.
Really touching. Take it easy. Because when you do that, you want to make me cry.
Don't cry,
And I don't want to cry. Don't do that.
Yeah. I'm all right. I'm okay. Waiting now. Shebi, yeah, sorry. It's not your imprisonment.
You know, this whole gist, it all boils down to loyalty. And another thing be say, you don't know the kind of life with the guy. He spent like the larger part of his life in jail.
27.
You don't know the kind of life when he don't experience for jail. You don't know the kind of thing where that girl loyalty they do for him. If he be saying that loyalty, they keep him going.
Yes.
For all that 27 years, 11 months, 8 days, and 4 hours.
As in, And they think that kind of loyalty is still there.
She wait for him.
She stays in you.
And now only 1 year after they meet. So don't be say they don't even take. Don't be say they don't marry before you go. It was a year.
She stayed there, same and you until
in
you come out. And it go shock you. Like you talked just now. Because she said, don't join the lawyers in a fight now.
Yes, of course.
Say, this guy, my boyfriend did not do it, you know. But
everybody go down say, leave him. I trust him. I know him. He didn't. He really didn't. He would never do that. I've known him for years. He can't do that. Please help me. And if I say, it's very touchy.
He's a touchy kind of something.
What is he your touching?
It's not touching.
Is he your touching?
It's neither is my imprisonment.
Excuse your jare. Today we have not come and have yan the yan. We have talk the talk.
Yeah. Just
but you want to give us placard or let's just go in straight?
Let's go in straight.
We're going in.
It's going in.
We're going in.
Ladies and gentlemen, we're going in.
We're going in.
With some talk, baby. We're going in.
We're going in.
Maya, go in, girl.
Going. Our counseling mode on. It's time for the counseling every Friday. We give you counseling of whatever you think is enough. It didn't matter what you do or what you do or what you do. We counseling. We going in. We going.
Oh, Jones.
No, don't start.
I wish they would make the moon they stand up. So they give them some kind of cripple.
You understand?
And different
walk.
They will just
we will walk on the moon.
Just stand on our toe.
Yes.
You know?
We will stand on the A where they for back of the paddy. All right, so we get questions for people today. And as we talk every Friday where we just start.
Yes.
And this particular one, even on top Twitter, we won't throw them. Now, who gets more influence on the pikin? The papa or the mama? Now, let me put it this way for the elite. Do fathers have more influence on their children than the mothers? I mean, who gets more influence, fathers or mother, on the children's life? What you think?
Well, for me. For
you.
For me,
in your personal mitochondrial thinking.
Yes, in my mitochondrial thinking and opinionated.
Your mitochondria is here.
Yes. And opinionated state of mind.
Yes.
Just judging by the way that my kidney, you know,
is responding to your lava treatment.
And the juice just flows into
your red blood cell.
The red blood cells to make the fallopian tube a bit more exercised.
Yes.
Now, father, mother, for me, I stand for fence on this one.
Oh yeah?
Fence. Because everybody and their own. Everybody and their own. I know go talk say papa gets more or mama gets more. Especially for inside Nigeria.
We are not sure.
We are not sure.
Now, I feel say it depends on the child.
Okay.
It depends on the child. You see, as pikin they grow, talking from a state of mind of a woman, as you just born the pikin, na the mama. Everything, na the mama. But not in all cases, because sometimes, if the papa they around to play with the child a lot, you go find out, say, some pikin, even while them small, before they even know how to do abasada, whatever, they tilt towards their father. Because of the rough play. Where the papa they carry them. You know, mama go the fear, say, hey, if you throw him up, he go fall. If you do this, you go down. But papa go come, carry him, throw him, carry him, you go they laugh, up and down the place. So some of them, they tilt towards their papa. But in most cases, as they born the pikin, they grow, they tilt towards the mama. Because now the mama, they feed them, and the mama know. But when the pikin don't begin grow, once, depend on the relationship where you get with your pikin. Now that one go determine, and that is solely dependent on the child. For somebody like me, make I use myself as an example. When I grow, I dey more closer to my father. I go tell you why.
Why?
Because my papa no ever. You know, in this part of the country, we dey use beating. We dey raise our hand against our children to correct them. It is very allowed in this part of the country, in this part of the world. Now, my mama don't correction me like 1 million times. But my papa, I don't remember saying ever, mark my words, ever raising hand to touch me. My papa na dialogue.
Your mama?
My papa.
Na dialogue.
If you do something when no good, even as a child, he go call you, come. Why you do this thing?
So
if you give him good reasons,
yes,
he will tell you, I understand, but you for no do him like this, like that, like that. If your reason no good, just know say, if he be say your punishment, if he be say that thing where you like, they feel no give you for like 1 month, it go pain you die. You understand? So my papa, it was easier to talk to my father.
Yeah.
I don't know if you understand.
Yes.
It is easy to talk to him because I feel just go meet him, sit and say, Baba, I dey see this guy, they do me one how. My papa go say, no, really, my papa go say, why? That was when I mature, when I did university. My papa go say, why? I go tell her, say, okay, because anytime I see him, shame, they always catch me. I don't know as I go take relate. So he go tell sit down, make I explain and give you. Sometimes when he call me, he go say, okay, so you don't see him today, shame don't catch you today, we go laugh. Because he understand me. And he trust me, so he gets something I no go feel do because of him.
But for me, I
but my mama, everything na hey.
No. Mama,
everything
hey. No.
Everything
mama, for me, mama na then they.
Na them be the balance.
Na them be the but then they correct the pikin head. Na me feed you. Na me give you some kind life. So now you go they give it. Bo, you go reformat the brain. You understand? Papa own, but some papa they.
No, some papa na soldier.
Daddy they come.
Everybody miss.
Boom, you know, they pass fence, they pass window, everybody boom. But my guy has that year. They hide for cupboard. One day all of for enter cupboard. What they call lock up, the man open the cupboard. We call it there. Good afternoon, sir. Oh yeah, everybody lie down. If you say let them bell to, person papa call the beat also. You go to say, you are not our father. Why will you be beating us? Forget the whole area that they train you. But for me, you know, I feel most female children, they tilt towards their papa. Why most male, they tilt towards their mama. And psychologists don't talk, say, in a sexual thing. You understand? Say, it's not something with
like charges.
You understand? Hey, so
unlike charges.
But anyway, we don't throw the question, give people. You know, like, because we also can't debate so the whole, you know, papa and mama them, or whether papa they get more influence. Pass mama over children life. You can tell us on top Twitter.
Yes. Okay, so I mean, they talk, say fathers. I say I go check the irony of them now.
Yes.
I'm not sure say that not true. You know why? Say some fathers they love their daughters while mothers they love their son. You know why? Because for this part of the country where we don't see where some marriages they break because the woman no fit born male pikin.
Yes.
If that is so true, why the man go they hustle for male picking? I don't know if you understand what's in that.
Yeah, that hustle for male picking most times that's a person to carry a name.
Let me tell you what. If they
because
talk,
that girl
say,
go marry.
I get you. I get you now to carry a name. Now, if them talk, say, you know where my argument day? Because this now, for Twitter, may they argue and give us now. Because the thing be say, if you say you love your daughters, you no go throw them come out with their mama. Because they no get man. That means the love for that son is greater than the daughters when you get.
No, man own man.
I don't know if you understand what
one of my
talk.
friends explain this thing give me.
Oh,
because
yeah,
as man, he don't born, he first born girl, he can't born boy. But he say, when he born a female pikin first, he said the love difference, now in first pikin. So it's different, they shack him differently. He can't be saying a girl. So that thing where man, woman thing, make and they call dual and everything, that one different. First pikin, he can't be saying a girl, he can't different. He said, but when he can't born the second one, he can't be boy. He said, he be like saying born himself.
Okay.
Man,
I can
born
relate.
man. You understand? So it's just different for the feeling from the girl own. That girl owns in a girl, second because he did a bit more tender and all those ones. Like I would treat him like my queen, my first pikin too. So, but when the guy can't come, he said the respect we can't get for that guy.
Different.
He said because man will come out of me.
You understand?
Man be that and hand, so man
okay,
will come
so
out of me.
That means say you go there right. That means say I go there right to talk. Say parents love their children equally, but in different ways.
Now different ways. You understand? The way they love this one is different from the way they love this one. You know, some people they born like 5. The middle one, you know, they see who they love are like that. You know, like from my papa side now, and I maybe the middle side.
Okay.
You know, so people just this one they just love the first two. So at the day I was like this.
Because somebody like me
but
now,
also they don't love me.
Because somebody
but just different.
So somebody like me now be the last.
No,
so the kind attention when I enjoy from my papa and my mama, it was so much. The attention self tire me.
Even from your elders.
Anything, everybody must debate on top of my life.
So your own
everybody debate on top of my life. But it's not so bad because I mean, look how we turned out. We turned out good after all.
You know, so it's just well, we go still leave out to them to still give us their own side of the whole thing. Say whether fathers them. They love daughters more than their sons.
Okay.
That's for you.
That's 2. 3. Waiting papas fit teach their pikin past their mamas.
It's still like we talk earlier.
You don't understand?
You know, that one self still different.
Because see the example when I give with me and my papa. It's easy to relate with my father.
Exactly.
But I know that my mother wants the best for me.
Exactly. So she said she want the best for you, but another road she passed. Her
own road tough. It tough.
Via.
It tough.
But Papa own a dialogue. Those two, they work. For you, beating, not correct many of us, and they beat us now.
And the beating itself na certain stage. You go reach one stage, you go stop. You know.
Some people, mama, my friend with my mama na soldier. He say he not born to. Mama say they slap her. He said before he go fit talk, mama go give her. Po! He go say, mommy, I'm 30 something. I give that to you. But it depends on the moral. Some mama see they'll see the brush that give you if you like. You know, get where you want. Mama go talk one thing. Say you know get where okra one ton reach. Person wey plant and go see bring and come down
to cut them.
So
true.
You know, but at the end of the day, it's still different for the sexes. You understand? Because for man to man, the papa always got to teach the, but we know the two. You know, say they get hustling parents for this side of the world.
Yes.
So that relationship, where the
you know the 2 days. Now nannies they take care of children
these
most
days,
times.
and
these
people
days.
from area,
in
neighbors,
this age and time,
yes, you understand? Because parents they go hustle, go to do things, but on a good day, papa supposed to raise the son like soldier. You understand? Say, see this world, they're not easy like that. So you need to go out there and go do things, don't do things.
And you know the mistake where people they make be say, I don't notice them with people of nowadays. Because I they fear make I not fall into that category when I begin to have my children. Ask me why. Because you know, say these days, people will get money. Then they feel like say they care for their child. But they're actually worried about the school when they go, the kind environment when they the kind friends when they get. They don't really give them that time.
That thing. You
that
know?
time. You understand?
At the end of the day,
my pikin don't chop. You don't do this. Now that time, that relationship with your child. Because some people don't even know the kind thing where their pikin go do in different situations.
Exactly.
Now the nanny go tell you say no ma, he won't take that ma. Give him that other one ma.
Exactly. So well, at the end of the day, it still boils down to one thing. Say parents supposed to look into children matter where.
At the end of the day,
supposed reach where you go know your pikin. Say my pikin no fit do this kind thing. You know when they grow up.
Yeah.
You carry baby come my house say Michael don't go break person head for outside. Mama will tell you she lie. Say lie. Don't be that kind of person. Lie. You understand?
Yeah.
So people, like parents and their, let's say we round up for this whole gist now.
Okay,
well, just leave those questions for their hand.
We'll go leave them for your hand, and then the next time anything comes up, we'll talk about why people they celebrate mothers past fathers.
Exactly. You know that's because if you say Father's Day, it's quiet.
People even they remember the Father's Day, but Mother's Day they do it 7 times in a year.
Catholic go do their own, this one go do their own, that one go do their own. What's happen? Mothers say sweet mother.
We are the salt of the world.
Now so
we
father,
are the light.
Father, we call walk the walk, we call what be.
We are the heart of the world.
We can do.
No trivial.
I want through back dial.
No trivial.
I want just. One thing. You don't come on thief for your house. You don't run.
I like
because you got fly fence. Wait,
he don't reach.
You ain't go thief for
your house. You don't reach area.
Now you clap for him. Say, oh
wow.
God, he dey jump.
Wow.
Oh, this guy dey jump. He dey jump. My brother and sisters, it go really amaze you waiting human beings feed do. There's so much more to us than we think we know. We know.
All right, so follow us for Twitter at Wazobia Paddy. Follow us on top Instagram at Wazobia TV. And then follow me at Mayowa Lambe. Follow my guy at Funny Ogbolo on top Twitter. Mayowa Ekpo on top Instagram at Ogbolo on top Instagram. YouTube.com/Wazobia TVNG. Look for Paddy. And then Facebook.com/Wazobia TVNG. Look for Paddy. Thank you so much for joining us on the show. It's Friday. It's time to have fun. La Friday. Friday.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make sure sharply subscribe to our channel. No darling.